Hey, how you doing? I'm Richard Lamb with Lamb's Custom Painting. We also have Lamb's Roof and Exterior Cleaning in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. This week's project, we are restoring a metal roof. This is a pretty good sized house. The roof is probably about 15 to 20 years old, and it's just lost its luster. So we're going to bring that luster back. We are a certified roof cleaning company, roof and exterior cleaning company from the soft wash systems in Orlando, Florida. So we are one step above. We go for training and research and things like that. We use all their products. We use green wash and final rinse, and we're using some other stuff on the roof that we're going to clean it with. And what we're doing, we're just removing the oxidation. And we did a test sample back in June. Turned out beautiful. We'll put some pictures up on the web with that. And now we're going to take you upstairs and show you the rear of the house.